Hey there, it's Alex, and in this video, we're going to be taking a deep dive into Udimi Solo Ads. If you're not familiar with Udimi, it's a platform that allows you to buy solo ads from a pool of vetted and trusted sellers. Solo ads are a type of online advertising where you pay someone to send an email to their list promoting your offer. It's a great way to quickly build your email list or promote your products to a targeted audience. So, why should you use Udimi for your solo ad needs? Let's break it down. First of all, Udimi sellers are carefully screened and vetted before they can start selling their ads. This means that you can trust that the people you're buying ads from have a proven track record of delivering high-quality traffic. Udimi uses a strict verification process to ensure that their sellers have high-quality email lists and that their subscribers are engaged and responsive. Secondly, Udimi provides a ton of data and analytics to help you make informed decisions about your ad purchases. You can see things like the seller's conversion rates, how many clicks you can expect to receive, and even demographic information about the people on their list. This data allows you to make informed decisions about which sellers to work with and which types of offers are most likely to resonate with their subscribers. Udimi also has a number of features that make it easy to manage your solo ad campaigns. For example, you can easily track your ad performance and optimize your campaigns for better results. You can also set up automatic orders and filters to ensure that you're only getting traffic from the sources that are most likely to convert. Of course, there are some things you should keep in mind when using Udimi. First of all, it's important to have a good understanding of your target audience and what types of offers they're likely to respond to. This means doing your research and understanding your niche inside and out. You also need to have a solid offer and a well-designed landing page to make the most of your ad campaign. A great solo ad is only half the battle. You also need to make sure that you're driving that traffic to a page that's optimized for conversions. Another thing to keep in mind is that not all solo ad sellers are created equal. Even though Udimi vets their sellers, it's still important to do your due diligence and research each seller carefully before you start working with them. Look for sellers who have high ratings and lots of positive reviews, and make sure that their list is relevant to your offer. Finally, it's worth noting that solo ads can be a bit of a gamble. There's no guarantee that you'll get the results you're looking for, and it's important to have realistic expectations going into your campaign. That being said, if you do your research and choose your sellers carefully, solo ads can be a great way to quickly and easily grow your email list or promote your products to a targeted audience. In conclusion, Udimi Solo Ads can be a powerful tool in your online marketing arsenal. With their trusted sellers, robust analytics, and user-friendly platform, they offer a great way to get targeted traffic to your offers. Just remember to do your due diligence, have a solid offer and landing page, and keep your expectations realistic. If you use our affiliate link to sign up for Udimi, we will provide you with a bonus: our top 5 Udimi soloed providers for highest quality traffic. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts on Udimi Solo Ads.